Dear friends, in this video I am going to unbox and review an active stylus pen. This is the KINGONE pen, which is an Apple Pencil alternative. Inside the box, here is the user manual. This is the pen, 3 extra nibs, USB Type-C cable for charging. This pen is made with aluminium alloy. Its build quality is pretty good and its weight is very light. It has a USB-C type charging port and a LED indicator. On the top, it has a touch-sensitive switch to turn on and off. You can replace the nib when it is damaged. The extra nibs are included with the package. I am going to test it on an iPad 9th generation. It works only with iPad, not for iPhone, Android or Windows devices. No need Bluetooth connection to use this stylus pen. You can see here are the supported device list. It is very smooth. Scrabble also working. It has good palm rejection. My iPad 9th generation has a non-laminated screen and I am using a screen protector, so you can see some gap between the pen and screen. Other laminated screen models will work better than it. It has tilt sensitivity. Writing experience with it is not bad. Now I will try to draw something with it. It has not any pressure sensitivity. I think you can draw with it, but not recommended for professional artists because it has no pressure sensitivity and the tilt sensitivity does not work with some drawing apps. It is good for writing. You can charge this pen using any smartphone charger. Battery backup is very good. It has a magnetic attachment function, but it does not support wireless charging. Overall, this device is not bad as a low cost alternative of an Apple Pencil. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.